Let's flashback biography of Stephen Hawking, which is popularly known as Stephen William Hawking. Stephen Hawking was born dated on January 8, 1942, Oxford of England here. Frank is said to be the father of Stephen Hawking. Isabel Eileen is said to be the mother of Stephen Hawking. Stephen William Hawking attended Byron High Schools at Highgate of London here. In the course of the time of the history of mankind here, Stephen Hawking studied in physics, University College, Oxford here. He completed his doctorate of philosophy from the Cambridge University here. In a course of time past, he has been physically handicapped in a course of time past. Jane Weil is said to be the wife of Stephen Hawking here. Stephen Hawking was a Lucasian professor of mathematics in Cambridge University here, where he lectured on different topics first. He wrote A Brief History of Time in 1988 here. Stephen Hawking died dated on 14 March 2018 in Cambridge here. He was entombed Westminster Abbey, which is a highly honoured place in the time of England here. So he has been confined to wheelchairs since the 30 years. So thank you very much for watching my videos.